our Dolphin Amphitheater, and due to that, we were going to cancel the show, but we didn't want to let you go home today without some kind of dolphin show, right? So we are going to have a modified show. We encourage you to please stay. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to be in the splash zone if you're in the first 10 rows, so be careful of that. So we will have a few dolphins out here doing a spectacular show for you. We appreciate your understanding, and the show will start in just a few moments. Thank you.
All the way up to 41 years old. We love to care for these animals and celebrate each and every day with them. Are you ready to meet them? It's a little warm out here, but I'm going to ask again, are you ready to meet them? That's much better. Up first, this is the oldest animal here at Dolphin Amphitheater. At 41 years old, she is proof that age is just a number. She is a mom to 6 calves here at SeaWorld San Diego, and she was born at one of our SeaWorld parks. Coming around to show off to you, this is Sandy. And we can't forget about our dedicated trainers who care for these animals each and every day. Everyone say hello to Casey, Stephanie, LJ, and my name is Dylan. Ladies and gentlemen, these amazing animals have a lot of energy and they love to have fun. So let's watch as they show us how they celebrate life.
bring me out here on vacation, and we sat in this amphitheater watching these amazing animals, and I fell in love. So I knew from a very young age that this is something I wanted to do for my entire life. But I kind of gave up on the dream because there are no dolphins in Utah. I started working my way through school, trying to figure out what I wanted to do instead of this. But for my 21st birthday, my mom actually took us out to our sister park in Orlando. I was watching the dolphin show out there, and I was watching a relationship session very similar to what's going on here behind me, and I decided I had to give it a try. So I moved away from every person I'd ever known. I got a job working here in our culinary operations department. I got a tiny studio apartment. I didn't know a soul, but I knew I wanted to at least try. So it took me a couple of years to work my way into the animal training department, but it was in that time that I found out that SeaWorld is a world leader in rescue and rehabilitation. So I knew that this was going to be the perfect fit for me. I have now been working with dolphins a little over 10 years, and thank you very much. You guys, it's absolutely possible to achieve any dream you might have as long as you are willing to work hard and dedicate yourself towards that dream. Now, in 10 years, I've had the opportunity to work with some amazing animals. One of them is Sandy behind me, who is playing and having a good time with my very dear friend Stephanie. And you can see that we have a lot of fun. But the dolphins seem to enjoy this as well. You can hear all the sounds that Sandy is making. We are not asking her for those noises. That is her reaction to what Stephanie is doing with her. So they really do seem to enjoy all of the interactions that we do with them. And it is these quiet relationship building moments that really make our job what it is. Not only because we enjoy it, because of what makes everything we do with our dolphins possible. By spending time with these animals, getting to know their personalities, letting them know our personalities is what allows us to be able to do all of the amazing things you see in the show, but behind the scenes as well. We are an amazing we're an amazing facility for research. Sandy is our oldest dolphin and has participated in a number of studies based on her age. She is over 40 years old. She truly is an amazing animal, but also a wonderful ambassador for her species. And the reason my friend Owen, hi, come on up here, gets to meet a dolphin. Owen, where are you from? New Mexico. Thank you for coming all this way down here to visit us. It's a little bit cooler here, right? Yeah, good. Step up to the top of those steps there, Owen. This is Sandy. I'm going to have you do an official hello. Take both hands, give her a big wave. Excellent. Up. Owen, you were doing a wonderful job. Let's try another one. 2 fingers up, bounce them up and down. That's a beautiful song, Sandy. All of the noise that she makes comes out of her blowhole. I'd like you to experiment with this. Take your finger, poke her right on her head. Ah, that was perfect. Try once more. I love it. It's actually a muscle that works on top of their head, making all of the noises, and that one happens to be my favorite. Oh, and I have a couple of treats for her. I'd like you to give her that fish. Drop it right in her mouth. Just like that. I think I have another one in here. Try again. Wonderful. Oh, you're doing great, Owen. I'm going to ask her to line up, and I'd like you to give her a back rub. I want to reach on over. Yeah. What do you think she feels like? Like rubber, absolutely. Dolphins have very sensitive, smooth skin, and they can feel all the touches that we give them and seem to really enjoy it. You are doing so great with her, Owen. Go ahead and let her go. She's going to come back up this direction. She also really likes snowballs, so give that to her as well. Excellent. Owen, there is one problem with working with dolphins. Smell your fingers. Just a little fishy, right? Not too bad, because it was only a couple fish. All day you guys smell like fish. Come on down here, Owen. I'll show you how to get rid of that smell. All right, Sandy's going to help us out. Turn this way so everybody knows. What you do is you take your hands, you clap them together. There you go, rub them back and forth. Get them nice and warm. There you go, and wipe them off on your shirt. You are a very good sport, Owen. It's going to be a long trip back to New Mexico. Good job. Now, Sandy's waiting to take a picture with you. It is her favorite part. It's my favorite part of the show. You're going to look at your family members. You're going to give them a big wave, all right? You look that way. Big wave. I'm going to get her set up behind you. There you go, Owen. I'm going to step out of your photo. Owen, what happened? Owen, what did you do? that was perfect. Thank you so much for being our volunteer and interacting with Sandy. It is our hope, Owen, that by meeting a dolphin like Sandy, you, the generation, will be inspired to care for this world we share with these amazing animals. And I'm going to give you a token to do just that. Remind you to do your part. Everybody give it up for Owen and his new friend, Sandy. Thank you, Owen. Back to you, Dylan.
Thanks, Casey. Is everyone enjoying the show so far? That's great to hear because it's not over yet. As the rest of our incredible animals get ready, we are reminded to make a difference in the oceans that surround us. Not just for us, but for generations to come, and we need all of your help. By recycling and reusing, you can help keep trash from finding its way into animal habitats. You can organize, return a park, or beach cleanup in your own community. These are little things, but they can make a very big difference. Just by being here today, each and every one of you is showing your love and support, not just for the environment, but for the animals as well. It's our hope that your family will join us to care for our land, seas, and our skies, and all of these amazing animals. Right, Dolphin family? Well, you may have noticed we have brought out our pilot whale, Argo, who's down here in front, and it looks like they are ready to show off. So, Soak Zone, let's live it up, because the world is ours.
safety of others, we kindly ask that you refrain from climbing over the seats. Please use the stairs and aisleways as you exit. Once again, please only use the stairs and aisleways to exit. Thank you.